Hi, I'm Emily Oberlin, and we are at New Tech Academy. Welcome to our family. There are a lot of aspects that make New Tech Academy unique, but what I love most about it is the small learning community. With being designed for only 400 kids, it really gives us the opportunity to personalize not only their education, but our relationships with them. So there's really no way for you to sneak through the cracks or get by us without us knowing who you are, who your parents are, who your siblings are, and really what's going on in your life. So we kind of operate on that concept. If we can get to know the kids, we're going to be able to educate them better in the classroom. So that small learning community is really what I love. And I really love the culture that's created here. So with that relationship piece, we also preach culture before content. So can we make the kids feel safe? Do they feel like this is their second home? For some of our kids, it might be their first home. And they really like to be here and they feel great around us. So then again, that classroom learning is kind of amped up. No day is normal at New Tech. So when you come here, you have to be flexible and open-minded. We may alter class periods. We may have what we call a big family, and it throws off what's happening in the classroom. We love that about us. We may have community members who couldn't make it tomorrow, but they could today. So we're gonna adjust to make sure that the learning opportunity is the best for the kids, which makes us crazy and also entertaining at the same time. But no day's normal, but it's a great place to be.
I'm Jeff Roberts, Social Studies Facilitator at New Tech Academy at Wayne High School, and welcome to our Controlled Chaos. It's that thing teachers always say with the aha moments. We get them a lot more here because the aha moments can come daily, minute by minute, where the kids kind of all of a sudden go, oh my gosh, I understand this because it relates to them personally.
My name is Jaden Gonzalez. I'm a senior at New Tech Academy at Wayne High School, and welcome to our family. First off, I always wanted to get into New Tech because of the project-based learning that they had. Coming into high school, I was really nervous. I was kind of introverted a little bit, and after like the first couple months of being at New Tech, we had a presentation downtown with these business leaders, and I was really nervous. But after that day, man, these presentations, they flew by quick. I wasn't nervous for any of them, and it prepared me a lot for what's coming up for college and stuff.
What made you?
Yeah, so one of the blessings of being a school within a school here at New Tech Academy is our students are able to have the benefits of being a part of Wayne High School. So when we're talking about sports or clubs or activities, they're blended together. So our students play sports as the Wayne Generals. We have prom together. We have graduation together, homecoming together. We're one unit when that comes into play. So the kids will come to New Tech to get their daily instruction, but as far as being a part of the family, the big picture, we are all Wayne Generals. So our kids play on the same team, marching band, they can participate in, and really that's a blessing for our kids at New Tech that they still have that opportunity to participate in extracurricular. I love the family. So we joke that we are a family, but the honest truth is we are. The teachers, the staff, the students, we try to become one. And that relationship piece, it's not just a buzzword for us. We really delve into getting to know our students on a personal level. And there's a lot of workload that comes with that. But I really believe it's what makes us unique and why students and staff and myself are comfortable being here and want to stay here.
Do you want your kid to own their own learning? Do you want them to grow? Do you want them to go into the real world and be a well-rounded human being? This is the place for them.
We're a family, you know. This whole school, it doesn't matter if you're from wherever. We all build that connection over the years that we're here. Even if you're a senior and the other person's a freshman, you still can build that connection within a year, you know. So I just say build connections right away, because that's going to help you when you get to a senior, when you have those connections from business leaders to wherever, to help you get to a further place once you get to college.